What's cracking like with y'all boys and girls, man? It's your boy Wavy K, bro, and we back out here with another banger, man. And as y'all can see from that thumbnail and title, bro, we are headed to a morning cruise right now, bro. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning, bro. I am stupid tired, but I'm blessed nevertheless because I woke up this morning. You feel me? So, y'all haven't watched I want to say series of videos. I don't know. I haven't edited it yet, but I probably did turn it into a series. Not gonna hold you. But if y'all watched last videos or the last video or whatever, y'all would know I didn't get into a stupid late last night, and we back up this morning. So, you know I gotta get this content for y'all, man. Sheesh. Today, bro, we're headed to an HR morning cruise. I don't know what it's for. I forgot to read the flyer. I haven't read the flyer or whatever. But it's just like a nice little morning cruise, man. Sheesh. We're gonna be non-stop again on the go today. So if y'all haven't already, hit that like button, bro, and subscribe for all my new people, man. We're running a little bit late, not really. I don't know. We gonna get there in time, but like, y'all know the kid. Come on now, y'all know the kid for real. So, I got about like 20 minutes left in this drive. So that being said, man, grab your snacks while we teleport there. And yeah, man, I'm gonna see y'all when we get there, man. Sheesh. Boom, just like that, man. We done made it to the spot. So, got a nice little group of cars, bro. Dang, bro, I'm lucky tired, man. Got a nice little group of cars. It's mostly bikes though, so about to flip this joint. Looking at this Scat on the tire, looking stupid. Jeez, bro. Got this Scat on the tire. Real nasty type, bro. Sheesh, very nice. Oh, my boy put up a no hood too, bro. I wonder where it's at. Got the GTR, bro. Y'all see this joint all over the place. At all the base meets. Sheesh. Crazy. I told y'all it's mostly bikes, so sheesh. Alrighty. Mostly bikes. Got a, what do you call those? Slingshots? Got another Scat over there. Sheesh. But yeah, man, mostly bikes. Got a Camaro. Nice little group we're about to have, man. Get this ride in. Jeez. Yeah, sure. So we're about to leave in a couple of minutes and get this thing cracking. I might go into 7-Eleven and give me something to drink, bro, because I need me a little wake up something. Yeah, man. So if y'all haven't seen last video, bro, we got the bumper bag. Sheesh. Or no, that was like a couple videos ago. But this is the next day for me, so. But this thing is looking beautiful, bro. I do gotta get a car wash because when I was whatchamacallit? When I was what is this joint called? Polishing the quarter pounder. There we go. Y'all see I left some residue and even on the window from the rags and shit. So I gotta clean it up, but it's looking real clean, man. What the hell? Already got a bug on it. Damn, bro. Yeah, my boy did his thing, bro. Big shout outs to him again, because he repainted this. He said it was faded, and he repainted it. So big shout outs to him, man. But alright, y'all. So they just called the driver meeting. So they better get this thing cracking. Get this nice little cruise going on. And yeah, a great way to start the morning, man. So driver meeting just adjourned, bro. So we better get this thing cracking. A couple more bikes pulled up. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, about to get this thing cracking, bro. Like I said, it's mainly a bike meet. So we got a couple cars though. Hopefully we'll get some action, bro. You know, I can't keep up with none of these bikes yet, man. So, but we got a nice little lineup for cars, bro. Got another Scat that just pulled in. Then I believe that Genesis is with us, bro. Then we got the Beamer. I want to say RT, the little BRG or whatever y'all call it. No disrespect. And then the G36, I'm about to call it G80. Then the Scats, and then Camaro in the cut, bro. But yeah, it's mainly a little bike cruise, man. So we're gonna get this thing cracking, man. A couple people had to fill up and whatnot, so yeah, man, go get this thing cracking, bro. Sheesh. Even got a couple more bikes pulling in. Sheesh, nasty. Damn, my boy skirted up in that joint. Very nice, very nice. All right, y'all, so everybody get this thing cracking, bro. Y'all see everybody. Damn, we got a stretch bike. What the what? So yeah, man, better get this thing cracking, bro. Sheesh. Here we go, man. Sheesh. I gotta get me one. Hey, this stretch bike is nasty, bro. Sheesh. The GTR ready. Everybody's ready. So let's get into it, man. Sheesh. His helmet is dope, bro. It's like green carbon fiber. Sheesh. Here we go, man. Jeez, bro, this about to be crazy, man. Oh, it's not. Here we go, man. Got a saline right here.
A few moments later.
All right, y'all, so we lost the group. There's a gang of cars that, because I was one of the first cars that left, but all the bikes, they're gone already. They're gone. But all the cars, I think they're still behind me. I don't know. So hopefully this wasn't a bus. But yeah, that slingshot took off and the Camaro took off as well. So right now we're just coasting. Hopefully trying to catch somebody. Trying to. Oh shit. But yeah, man, we gonna see. Yeah, every time, I kid you not, every road night when there's like a break or something, and I give y'all the message like, okay, like I lost everybody, the group is split up or whatever, I always look in my rearview mirror and there's the group. So yeah, man, they're all behind me. The Chargers, the other Camaro, the red Camaro, yeah, they're all behind me, bro. So we're not that lost. My boy was, oh shit, he got it backwards. My boy was doing the waddle on the bike. I think he, what that called? He push start type run or whatever? No. And of course, we got traffic, man. Traffic. Got the Scat. Oh, snap. Everybody caught up. Yeah. Oh, wait. They took a different freeway. Hell yeah, man. Everybody done caught up. You Scat on the tire? Look at this nigga, bro. We gotta start swerving. You feel me? You gotta. It's a must. You got to. Ah, my boy still got the hood shirt up. The Beamer. Yes, now it's party time. The boy talking to us. Hell yeah, man. And here I was thinking the video was gonna be lost. Sheesh. Sheesh. Yes, sir, man. Ain't no way running about to start. This dude right here crazy, man. They drove out of my life. These niggas tripping. Swinging and banging. Turn y'all down, man. Y'all two up. Yeah, man. So we made it to the spot, bro. Like I said, everybody kind of lost each other. Oh, I got the Sonic Tesla out here, man. But yeah, man. So got some good runs in. That black Scat on the tire over there, and that SS. That was a good run. Sheesh. Need to get my boy in there right there with the Mustang. That would have probably been a good run. Not gonna hold you. My camera is hot, bro. Sheesh. So yeah, man, made it to the spot. Got this thing on lock. I'm about to start rapping for y'all. No, I'm just playing. The Sonic Tesla. Sheesh. Every time I see it, it gets more involved. Sheesh. Got the Genesis pulling back in. Sheesh. Okay. Two nasty joints right here. They were running. Sheesh. All right, y'all. So we left the meet, bro. Nice little quick meet, man. Shoot, I wasn't gonna go to the end spot because it's like far as heck, bro. And then with the way like the group split up and everything, I ain't really gonna do with that. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this quick little video. I think it was quick. Yeah, it's a quick little video, man. Tonight we got some more stuff popping off with this group, and they collabed with somebody else, and we might have a couple of races. So I got a lot to decide between now and then. So that being said, as y'all can see, I'm starting to sweat. It's 11 o'clock now and it's already 100 degrees. So my AC still don't work. I don't even know why, but yeah. So that being said, man, if y'all enjoyed the video, make sure y'all leave a like, bro. Subscribe for all my new people, man. I'm your boy Wavy K, bro. And that being said, man, make sure you have a blessed day, a blessed week, and just be a blessing in general, bro. And yeah, I'm out of here, man. I'll see y'all later on tonight.